Hi, Lynn.
Good morning.
Good morning. You're here for Mr. Ruzin's office?
Yes, LVNV funding versus Lori Binder.
Yep. Did you want to speak to Miss Binder?
Yes, please.
Yep. Let me put you guys in a room.
Thank you.
Hi, Dorit.
Yes, hi.
Hi, you're here for for Krista Ranta.
Yes, I am.
All right. So I will put you and Mr. Faraj in a breakout room.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Hi, Sheila.
Morning.
Good morning. You're here from Canton Limited.
I am.
All right. Let me put you in a breakout room with Miss Jackson.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hi, Elizabeth. Are you ready?
Yeah, we're really just seeking an adjournment for this one, but yes, we're ready for the judge.
All right. If you're just looking for adjournment, I can give you that unless there's something that you do need to speak to the judge about.
I personally don't. I'll let Miss Pearson. We're working on negotiations, so we were
Okay.
gonna ask for an adjournment of today's date, and if we don't come to a resolution, a 30-day adjournment, then we can come back and
All right. So October 15th, good?
that works for me.
That works fine.
Okay, let me just see what time I got going on that day. October 15th. 8:30. We can put you in at 8:30.
I'm good with that
That's
time.
fine. That's great.
October
Mhm.
15th, 8:30. All right, we will see you then.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you. Miss
Thanks. Have a
Pearson.
great
I'll
day.
be in touch. Thank you.
Are you gonna call me or?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Leave meeting.
Miss Oliver, are you ready? I think it's a little, it's different than
Yeah.
Oliver, isn't it? Olivier?
That'll work too.
Okay.
Um, we want to adjourn at 30 days, today's hearing. So
All
both the
right.
pre-trial-
You guys are
Mm.
both good with 30-day adjournment?
Yeah, that's fine.
October 15th at 8:30?
Sounds good.
That'll work.
All right. We'll see you then.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
I will see you back at 10.
Oh, you'll be back?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We'll see you then. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thanks, Heather. Bye.
Bye. Hi, Alexa. Are you here for Mr. Mamet today?
Yes, I am.
All right.
And also I do have another pre-trial at 9:30
Uh-huh.
in another court. So I just wanted to let you know if I
Well, you
needed to
you
go
should
check
be
in.
done because Miss Jalarmino is here already, so you guys can speak and hopefully get everything resolved.
Perfect. Do you want
All
to
right.
put us in a breakout room by chance?
Yep, I'll put you in right now. Hi, on the Jalen West phone.
Yeah, this is Daryl.
Daryl. All right. Let me just rename you. Mr. West, whenever it comes to the time of your hearing, do you have video?
Aren't I on video? I'm seeing video here.
No.
What do I do?
Down at the bottom, does it show it shows video with like a red line through it?
Yeah.
Hit that button. There you are. You're coming through. Oh, we lost you. Oh, I think you're coming through. It's all black now. There you are. Hello.
Okay.
If you want to keep the video off and yourself muted until the time of your hearing, you can do that.
What time's the hearing?
9:30. It's 8:45 right now, or 8:50.
Yeah. Do you have a background I can use for my?
No. That's something that you have to download, I think, onto your phone. I'm not sure how that works.
I'm on my desktop.
Oh, yeah, you'd have to download a background. I
Well,
don't know if
what do I say to download it? Download Zoom background?
yeah, I don't maybe Google that if you want to try
I'm
that.
gonna leave and try and do that.
Okay,
in a few
that's fine.
minutes. I got 45 minutes, right?
Yep, yep. We'll come back probably closer, maybe about 9:20 in case the other half comes early. All right, but yeah, it gives you time to
I'll
Google
come at
that.
9:20 and see if I can get a background.
All right, we'll see you then.
Thanks.
Thanks. Bethany, why do you have your hand up?
Hi, Heather. Sorry. I just want to make sure I'm in the right room. I never got like the link or the paperwork, and I just looked it up online. I'm pretty sure it was
We're
for
waiting
Judge
for
Oakley.
Yep, we're waiting for the attorney from the LVNV funding to appear
Okay.
in yep, and it's at 9 o'clock, so they still have a little bit of time.
Okay. I just want to make sure I was in that's why I was just
Yep,
popped in
yeah.
early, make sure we're all in the right spot. And I figured I'd ask while I heard you talking to someone else. So
Yep,
thank you so
you're
much.
good. Do you know how to turn on your video?
Yeah, here we can check, make sure it's working.
Okay, yep, there you are. All right, we'll see you. Yep, if you want to turn it off, and then whenever they call your case, just turn it back on, okay?
All right, awesome. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, Ms. Siegel, are you ready to see the judge?
Yes, we both are.
All right.
Thank you. Good morning.
All right, appearances on Canton 1 Limited versus Jackson, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sheila Siegel appearing on behalf of plaintiff Canton 1 Limited for attorney of record Kenneth Cohn.
Good morning, counsel. Good morning, Ms. Jackson. Can you hear us
Good-
okay?
Yes, sir. Good morning.
All right.
Can you hear me okay?
Wonderful. Yeah. Ms.
Okay,
Jackson,
thank you.
today's the date and time set for a pretrial. It's a time for me to get some information about the file and hopefully move it forward towards resolution. Counsel, where are we at on your end? You've had a chance to talk?
We have had a chance to talk and we have recognized some adjustments that are owed against or to be credited against that balance. However, there's still just under 3,000 that we believe is valid and that should be paid, and we're willing to pursue and have adjudicated. At this point, we're talking more, but we're not able to resolve it today. So we'll continue certainly our efforts outside
Sure.
of court and after today. But if we could get a trial date and additional dates.
Okay. Well, what do you want next? You want a trial date? You want another pretrial? You thinking motions? What do you want to put on the calendar?
Well, we may bring a motion. I don't know yet for certain, but I would like a cutoff date for discovery, dispositive motions, and it's the court's discretion. A final pretrial may be worthwhile.
Okay.
Final
Let's set a
settlement.
final pretrial.
Or
How far out
settlement.
you want to go?
I'd say like 90 days.
All right, Heather, can we
Not
get a date
more.
approximately 3 months down the road?
Not
Yeah.
for trial or the final settlement conference. Keep those not much longer or not more than that.
All right, you're confusing me. You want a final pretrial 90 days down the road, or you want drop dead trial date 90 days out the road?
All right, so today it's September. So if we could have this concluded sometime by a trial date right after the first of the year.
Okay, so back to my original question. When do you want me to schedule the next pretrial?
Before the end of the year, Your Honor.
I have
Heather,
December
By late-
17th for another pretrial.
Right, December 17th, ladies?
Yeah, that would be fine.
Okay.
That's fine.
And-
Thank you.
And
8:30.
written discovery will be open until December 17th. Ms. Jackson, discovery is just an exchange of information. Counsel may send you a list of questions. She might send you a list of documents she wants you to provide if you've got them available, and you can do the same. So if there's any information you need from Canton Limited, you can send that request through counsel's office. Understood?
Yes.
All right. Anything else, ladies?
No, Your Honor. You'll send that to the office and you'll also issue a trial date at the settlement conference or thereafter.
No, we're going to have a pretrial on December 17th, and we'll decide where we're at then.
Exactly. I appreciate the clarification.
So I'm not doing anything except sending a notice out for
Understood.
pretrial. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Good
along
luck,
with the
ladies.
cutoff dates. All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you.
Motions will remain open, I assume, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
Motions will remain open through that date as well.
Yeah,
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Judge, next is Discovery versus Groff.
Yep, third one down.
Yep.
Appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. Gertsburg, P80136, appearing on behalf of Discover.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ahmed Faraj, P 845-9, appearing on behalf of the defendant.
Good morning. What do you two need out of me?
Could we get 60 days, written discovery and a few dates just for dispositive motion cutoffs? We are discussing in good faith, potentially settling.
All right,
sooner
so
than-
tell me what you want. You guys obviously know how to talk to each other, so tell me what you want to do. You want a pre-trial about 60 days down the road, discovery till then? Is that what you're thinking?
That would be great, Your Honor.
That'll be November 12th at 8:30.
That works for me.
You want any dates beyond that, or the final pre-trial or the pre-trial November 12th give you all you need?
I'm pretty
If-
confident, Your Honor, that we'll be able to resolve it short of that day. So I think that should be okay for now.
All right. Okay. Keep talking. If you need anything else from the court, let me know.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Enjoy your day.
That's it for the 8:30 docket, Judge. The other two were adjourned as well.
Got it. Thank you.
Yep. Hi, Miss Francis.
Good morning.
Good morning. So you are here for the LVNV versus Fields?
Yes.
And what other case?
Citibank versus Bauer.
Citibank versus who? Halamick?
Bauer
Bauer. Citibank versus
at 9:30.
Oh, thank you. There it is. All right.
Hi, good morning. I don't know if you can see me.
Hi, I'll be with you in just a minute.
Okay.
Ms. Francis, did you want a breakout room with Miss Fields?
please.
She's here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Stacy. I'll check you in now.
Okay, thank you. Sorry. I had to mute.
Do you have video?
We did work out a deal with the plaintiff.
Uh-huh.
We were making a payment arrangement with them. They got the paperwork and was sent to the courthouse.
All right, let me check real quick.
Yeah, it was a stipend order for dismissal.
So we're good, Malachi?
Yeah, I just Dan talked to me about it. I don't know. I assume he talked to Miss Stacy.
Yeah.
I just told them to check in just in case to clarify that, but I was gonna bring it to the attention once we got to that as well.
So do we think the attorney's going to show for the plaintiff or no?
To my knowledge, they may not, but if they do, they'll probably just let us know the same thing anyways. Because they already submitted it. It's just waiting for a judge to sign.
All right. Well, then, Miss Edwards, you should be good to go.
Okay, appreciate it.
Yeah.
All right, have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Hi, Miss Brady. Are you all ready?
Yeah, we are. It should be quick.
All right. Are you just asking for an adjournment or you're ready
Yeah,
to see the judge?
honestly, yeah, I'm gonna send her a consent judgment after this hearing, and she wants to review and sign it and send it back to me. So if we could just get this adjourned and give her some time to look that over and sign it, that would be great.
The October 15th date. That's my next
That
date.
sounds perfect.
All right, so we'll just adjourn it to October 15th at 9:15.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
All right. Yep,
Have a
we're
good
all
day.
set. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yep,
Thank
so
you.
I'll send you an email, okay?
Okay.
Talk to you soon. Bye.
Yep. Bye.
Hi, Mr. West. Did you figure it out?
Well, I got it on my computer now. I don't know how to put it on the screen.
Did you turn on the video?
Where do I see that at? Video.
Down at the bottom where it shows video and it has a red line through it?
Oh yeah.
Nope. No background.
Well, I got one on my computer now. I just don't know how to put it on the screen.
Did you Google background for Zoom or background
Yeah.
for you? Oh, okay.
Yeah, I did background for Zoom. And I got it in my downloads.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know how to do all that.
Hmm.
Mr. Sarhan, we're waiting. You're here for Miss McKenna's office?
I
McKinnon?
am, yes.
Okay, just waiting for the other party.
Sure.
Thank you.
Is that fellow with us?
Nope. I'll let you know when you have anybody here for you, Mr. West.
Okay. Won't I see it on the right?
No.
All right. I'll black out till you call me.
That's fine. And keep yourself muted, okay?
Yeah.
Hi, Mr. Wafer. What are you here for, please?
I'm here for
Oh, I see you now. I'm sorry. I found your
oh,
name. All right. Let me just rename you and put you in a breakout room with the attorney.
all right, thank you.
You're welcome. Hi, on the Galaxy 9. What's your name, please? Hello.
Hello, I'm
Hi.
sorry.
What's your name, please?
I am Cassandra McAfee.
Oh, I see you there. All right. Let me just. All right, we're just waiting for the other party. Do you have video?
I do. I wasn't told I need to turn on my video.
You're gonna need to because you're in court. When the judge calls the case, the video has to be on.
Oh,
So you don't
sure.
have to do it right now, but whenever the
Okay.
judge calls the case, you'll have to turn it on, okay?
And so will it be the case number or will she use the name? Or will
The
they use
judge
the-
will say the name.
Okay, thank you
All
so
right.
much.
You're welcome. Keep yourself muted, please.
I sure will. Thank you.
Hi, on the telephone. What's your name, please?
My name is Melanie Seacott.
And what are you here for?
I keep getting mails and summons for a Melanie Pava at my address. And when I came to the court, they said I just had to come to the Zoom meeting and say, stop sending stuff to my house. I have contacted the law firm for the plaintiff's attorney, and they are aware that this is the wrong address. And they said that the court is skip tracing and sending stuff to my house. So.
All right. We'll wait till they come on. Hold on.
Okay. I mean, I did come to the court this summer and I called and said, I'm a teacher. I'm not even this person, but there's a credit mix up and I've been dealing with this person's mix up for over 20 years. I've cleared it on my end, but obviously her credit report still shows my address.
Okay. Do you know how to keep do you know how to mute yourself and unmute yourself being on the phone?
Not on the phone. Tell me how to do that.
I think it's *6. Let me double check. On the phone. Yep, it's *6. If you can
So you want me
try
to
that.
start-
Yeah, try that so that we can work this out until the judge gets in. Yep, perfect. And now hit *6 again.
Well, that's why, I'm so.
Perfect. Yep. So just keep yourself muted for right now. And then when the judge calls the case, then I will have him talk to you. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Daniel Martin, what are you here for? I muted you, so you need to unmute. Daniel Martin.
Yep, I'm here on the matter of Daniel Martin and International Extrusions.
Okay. I see you now.
There we go.
Hi, Mr. Mueller. Mr. Mueller.
I'm here.
All right. Are you ready to speak to Mr. Martin?
Sure. Done that before, but I'll do it again.
All right. Srinivasa Sanku, what are you here for, please?
I'm with Daryl West.
Okay. Leslie, what case are you here on? 0562. Oh, there you are. I found you. All right. Miss Francis is in a breakout room right now. So once she's done, I will have her speak with you.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Hanchett, you want a breakout room with Mr. West? Or Mr. West, you want a breakout room with Mr. Hanchett?
Hi. Is Mr. West on? Can you hear me
He
okay?
is. Yep, I can hear you. He's not answering. Mr. West,
Yeah.
do you want a breakout room with Mr. Hanchett?
Okay.
All right, just checking. Mr. Royce, have you spoke with Miss Melanie?
I have not yet, no.
Okay, I'm gonna let you speak to her so she can explain everything to you.
Okay, sounds good.
Sorry, this is Mike. I think I got kicked back into here somehow.
Oh, uh-oh. Do you see the choice to join the breakout room?
Not yet. I did, and I joined, and then it popped me back into here.
Okay, let's try again.
We got audio, Heather?
Yep, we got audio. Yep, very good.
Thank you.
Yep, thank you. Miss Francis, are you ready on Miss Fields?
Yes, we have
All right.
a agreement for consent.
Judge at 9 o'clock, LVNV versus Fields.
Got it. Counsel, your appearance.
Najat Francis on behalf of plaintiff's attorney of record, Your Honor.
Okay, Miss Fields, you can hear us okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Ms. Fields, today is a date and time for a pretrial. A pretrial is an opportunity for the court to get information about a file, hopefully to move it forward towards a resolution. Counsel, where are we at? You've had a chance to talk?
We have, Your Honor, we have reached a consent judgment.
Wonderful.
Defendant will pay $75 for 6 months starting October 15th. And then after the 6th payment, she will contact plaintiff for a review of the installment payment order. And defendant is giving plaintiff permission to sign the consent judgment to submit it, Your Honor.
Okay, great. Ms. Fields, those terms what you've agreed to?
Yes. I
Do you
think so.
have
I mean, yes, I did. I just I think I'm clear on everything. Yes.
Okay. Do you have any questions at all?
No, I think she went over everything. I think I understand it. And she said, I just want to make sure that they couldn't change the payment in 6 months. Just want to make sure. And she just said that I had to contact them. And then if we didn't come to an agreement, I would make a motion. And that's all. As long as that's all legit, then I'm good.
Okay. All right. So Ms. Francis is going to sign her name and your name. She'll send that through our electronic filing, and I'll put my electronic signature on it as soon as I see it. Then we'll send you a copy.
Awesome. Thank
All
you
right,
so
good
much,
luck.
Your Honor.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
Good luck.
You have a good day. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Judge.
Miss Francis, Miss Honig is here, so I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with her.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Morning,
Mr.
Judge.
Mr. Mueller, are you ready to go on the record?
I am. We should have
I'm trying to bring him out.
gentlemen back.
Yep. So Judge, this one is International something versus Martin and Magnum Tools.
All right, I've got it. Counsel, your appearance for International.
Good morning, Your Honor. John Mueller appearing on behalf of the plaintiff.
All right, and you are Daniel Martin?
I am appearing as Daniel Martin.
All right, you can hear us okay. And is Magnum Tools not present?
Correct.
Okay. All right, so Mr. Martin, today's the date and time set for a pretrial. That's an opportunity for the court to get information about a file and hopefully move it towards resolution. Counsel, you've had a chance to talk to Mr. Martin?
I have.
And where are we at on the plaintiff's end?
Well, in one word, nowhere.
Okay. All right. So are we going to set for trial, set a motion date as to Mr. Martin? What's your pleasure?
I guess if I would like to have trial date with the ability to file a motion if you just give me a deadline for that.
Okay. Has there been a jury demand filed?
No.
All right. So if I give you a bench trial date, maybe 90-ish days down the road, that'll give you time to decide if you want to file a motion and do so?
Yes, Judge, thank you.
Okay. And Mr. Martin, I'm going to try to answer your questions and interpret. I know we tend to speak our own language. Heather, can you give me a bench trial date around 90 days down the road?
We have December 17th, which is your regular general civil day. We can do maybe 10:30, or would you rather the afternoon?
That should work.
Okay. And that's it live or Zoom?
Live.
Okay.
Gentlemen, does that work? December 17th at 10:30 live?
It does.
It does for a plaintiff, Your Honor, at least until I check with a witness.
All right. Thank you. All right. So, Mr. Martin, when counsel refers to motions, he may decide to file a motion. Mr. Mueller, I'm assuming you're talking about a summary disposition motion?
Correct.
Thank you. All right. So he may decide that he thinks he's got a good argument that based on the facts in this case that are not in dispute, the law entitles his client to a judgment without a trial. So if he thinks he's got a valid argument, he's going to file a motion. He'll send that to the court. You'll get a copy of it. You'll have a chance to respond to that both in writing and orally. If I buy his argument and I grant that motion, then I will give a judgment in favor of the plaintiff and there will be no trial. If I don't buy his argument and I deny that motion, then we're going to go forward with that trial date. Do you understand that?
Yes, fully.
Okay. And counsel, what are we doing as to defendants 2 and 3?
I've already filed a default and default judgment on, let me just say which one, on magnumtools.com and I guess that's it.
I've got defendant 2 and 3 listed both as magnumtools.com LLC. So I don't know if that's a typo on our docket printout.
I show only 2 defendants.
Okay, so that's just a screw up on our end. All right, so we've got a bench trial date scheduled December 17th, 2024. Anything else that you need from the court, gentlemen?
Nothing from plaintiff.
Mr. Martin?
Nothing from the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, good luck, gentlemen.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
Thank you.
You as well.
Judge, next we have Citibank versus Bauer.
All right, give me just a minute.
Oh, yep, sorry.
This is the spirit of your needs.
Okay, all right. All right, I'm sorry, give me the file name again.
Citibank versus Bauer, the last one at 9:30.
Oh, I got it, thank you. Appearances on that file, please.
Navrat Francis on behalf of plaintiff's attorney record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Leslie Honig on behalf of the defendant.
Good morning, ladies. You've had a chance to talk?
We did. We're just asking for some discovery, 60 days, Judge.
Okay, I think that was a November 12 date. Is that right, Heather?
That was, Judge.
All right, ladies, we just gonna adjourn the pretrial?
Sure.
That's agreeable.
8:30.
8:30 work
Yes.
and written discovery, correct?
Yes.
Okay, anything else we can do?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, good luck, ladies.
Yeah,
Thank you.
so are you on mute?
You're not, Mr. West.
You got anything else, Heather?
Yes, we have, Mr. West, keep yourself muted. Don't touch it. JP Morgan versus Pava.
Yep, I got it.
Thank you.
Appearances for JP Morgan?
Yes, Your Honor. Christopher Royce on behalf of the plaintiff.
Thank you. And did defendant show up? Melanie Pava?
Well, Your Honor, we do have a Melanie Peacock who was served with the
Peacock.
I apologize. And
That's okay.
so I think we might have the wrong person. So if we can adjourn it 30 days, we'll probably get this one dismissed against the individual received and refile against the true person.
Okay.
That's
Ma'am,
October. I'm sorry.
ma'am, do you understand that?
Yes, it's not me, so you guys can do whatever you want.
Okay. Okay. All right, Heather, what was the date? October?
October 15th at 9:15.
All right. All right. Thank you.
And
counsel.
do I need to show up for that or no?
I'm going to get you. I'll be in touch. Yeah, we'll have this thing dismissed.
Okay.
But that's just a control date, as we were talking about. So
Okay.
the court makes sure
Okay.
it continues to move along.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Take
All right,
care.
Have a
thank you,
fabulous
folks.
day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Heather, what else?
First Portfolio versus Anthony Wafer.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexander Sarhan, P77252 on behalf of plaintiff.
Thank you. Mr. Wafer, can you hear us all right?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. All right. And gentlemen, you've had a chance to talk?
We have, Your Honor.
All right. Have you resolved anything, counsel?
We have not. We can. Happy to let the defendant go with his objection. I can let you know, sir, what's going on our end, and I'll just defer to the court to make its decision.
Okay. Thank you. Mr. Wafer, I don't have your paperwork in front of me, so tell me what your objections are. What are the reasons for your objection?
So first, I didn't know nothing about this. So the first time I know something about this is where my check was like halfway gone. So I called my employer and they said that you have a garnishment out of the 34th District Court. So then I called the court and then I came into the court the next morning to file the objection to the garnishment.
Right.
And because I don't even know who First Portfolio Ventures is. And then they said the original company was CM something I never had a contract with. So that was first. And then the second thing that I had a problem with is they said that they personally served me at an address I never lived at. The documentation here at the court that gave me said the person was 5'10", 170 pounds, 45 years of age. I'm 6'5", 215 pounds. I don't think I look 45. So that's why I didn't get none of this, because they said they served somebody that lived at that address.
Right.
And then the other problem I have is they have a address at 7640 Marlowe Road, Belleville, Michigan. I don't know who supplied that address or how they got it, but the only way to get that address is they pulled my credit report without my consent. So they broke the law doing that, because the only way to get that address was to pull my credit report, because the person that lived at that address added me on as an authorized user to their credit card. So I never used that address in my life. So they probably pulled my credit report and seen, oh, here's another address. I can see if he lives here. And they went there and said that they served me. They said they served me there. But the person that lives there is him and his wife. And he's 6'4", 350 pounds. And he's only 30. He's 28. So, and they're Caucasian. So I don't know what black male they served at the address. So that was the two things I had a problem with. I could never eject. I could never eject to the first time because I never received anything. And then once they said they served me, they just entered in the court, and then the court accepted it because I didn't know nothing about it.
Right. All right. So everything you just told me are reasons to object to the default judgment that was entered against you. Would you agree?
Yes.
Okay. What's up today is an objection to garnishments.
Mhm.
All right. There are very limited legal objections to object to a garnishment, none of which I've heard about. So what you need to do is you need to file a motion to set aside the default judgment.
Okay. That's what they said that. And you said that was called what again?
A motion to set aside the default judgment. There was a judgment entered against you at some point in time.
Mm-hmm.
Based on that judgment, they filed a garnishment against your wages, right?
Yes.
Okay. You filed an objection to garnishment. So for example, one of the most common ones I get is when somebody's bank account has been seized and the defendant files a motion objecting to that garnishment saying the only money in that bank account is for my social security check and they can't have that money. That's a legal objection to the garnishment. What you're telling me is the garnishment shouldn't have been issued because the default judgment should not have been issued. You need to argue the judgment.
Okay.
All right. So counsel, I'm assuming you have not been able to share any information with Mr. Wafer, convincing him that this underlying account was his.
That's correct.
Okay. All right. So Mr. Wafer, what I'm going to do is I'm going to deny your objections to the garnishment, suggest you file a motion to set aside the default judgment.
Mm-hmm.
Then we can get into these issues because counsel didn't know he was coming in to argue that motion today. Right? You follow me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So based on what you're telling me, it may be set aside. I mean, all the stuff that you just gave me, it might be set aside at that point.
Okay.
Anything else?
No. So
All
I
right.
just walk into the court and do it. Can I do that over online or?
Well, it's possible to do it online. Whether or not you can, I don't know.
Okay.
So there's a form that needs to be filled out. You can access that form and email it to the court or send it through on my file. That's fine. Or you can come into court personally.
Okay.
All right. Any questions, sir?
Nope.
Counsel, anything to add?
Nothing for plaintiff, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Have a good day, gentlemen.
All right. Thanks.
Heather, what else you got?
West versus Gem Seal.
All right, gentlemen, your appearances, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael Hanch on behalf of the defendants.
Daryl West, Roper.
Thank you. Mr. West, how are you feeling?
Terrible.
Well, at least you're not in the hospital. I can tell by your background you're at home.
I'm not in the hospital. I'm out just so we can deal with this.
All right. Well, good luck, sir. So I think what's up today is defendant's motion to dismiss. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor. I know Mr. West had requested another adjournment. I don't know if the court would entertain that or not. Mr. West, I don't know if you'd like to discuss that with the court, but I just want to at least give Mr. West the opportunity.
We just have both spoken, and I think that an adjournment is in both parties' best interest to try and resolve the matter.
I'm not adverse to an adjournment if both parties agree. How far out would you like to go? You want to go out to my October date?
I think that would be fine, Your Honor, if it's fine with Mr. West.
Yeah, I think we made a presentation of settlement, and if he can resolve it for us, we'll work with that, and that's our position.
How about October 15th? Heather, what time you want to do that?
9:45.
Gentlemen, that work?
Works. What day is that?
That would be a Tuesday.
Yeah, Tuesday's available. I'm a dialysis patient, so I cannot do it mornings on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So
Okay.
Tuesday's
All right. Anything else?
Nothing at this time, Your Honor.
All right.
Nothing.
Good luck, gentlemen, and good luck with your health, Mr. West.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Thanks, Mr. Adjournment.
Heather, you got anything else ready now?
Nope, we're waiting on, I have somebody in the breakout room and we're just waiting for more people to appear.
Okay.
Here.
Hey, is Al down there?
Yeah.
Tell him I'm free for a minute.
Okay.
Oh, that's what it looks like. Looks like, and there you are, and you're plugged in this together.
Steve, can you keep yourself muted? We're hearing all your background.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Mr. Royce, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
All right.
So, now that we're all here,
It'll be a few minutes.
Hi, Heather.
Yes.
Do I just continue to hold Heather? I'm sorry, this is Cassandra McAfee.
Yep, you just stay there till the judge comes out and he calls the case.
Oh, okay. All right, Heather, this is all new to me, honey. I really
That's fine. Yep, just sit patiently till the judge comes out and he calls the case.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Lynn, what case are you here on again?
It's LVNV funding versus Jacqueline Jones.
All right.
And I just lost power at my house, which is where I am. So I'm doing this through my phone and I don't normally do that. So I apologize for any issues I may pose.
You're fine. And I didn't. On the iPhone? Oh.
I have an Android.
No, not you.
Oh, sorry.
Hello. Hello. Can you hear me?
I can. Who are you?
Jacqueline Jones?
All right. Do you have a camera?
Yes, I thought. Oh, you know what? I'm sorry. Okay. Can you see me now?
Nope.
Okay. My camera is on. Hello. Hello. I can see the
Yes.
courtroom.
Okay, we can't see you.
What am I doing wrong then?
Down at the bottom where it says video, is there a line through it?
No, I don't see anything. All I get is some faces and
Right, that's you seeing us, but we can't see you because your video is not on.
No, I'm saying I see a person head up at the it's just a clear, it's not nobody face, it's just two heads with the body shape, and then I got three dots at the bottom of my phone.
Does it say more?
No, all I see is it say Romulus
Click those
District
three
4.
dots.
Okay, I'm clicking and nothing's happening.
Okay, do you know where your audio is at?
Okay, hold on. I see. Okay, wait a minute. I'm looking. I didn't hear something. Okay, it says Zoom. Come on now. I see. I see a lady here, but she keeps pushing off. Okay, live. I don't know. Zoom. Okay, here we go. It's a video. Okay, I see something now. Ah, come on now. Come on. It keeps. I hate this thing. Okay, it was something at the bottom and then it went away.
All right.
Come on. What am I doing? Okay, here we go. That's okay. Allow. Is my camera off now? Turn on react.
It looks like it's trying. There you are. Hello.
Hello.
We got you. So let me put you in a breakout room with the attorney.
Okay. Hey, Heather.
Yes.
Heather, are you there? I'm trying to click start my video as well. It's not allowing me. Where should I go to look for?
Well, do you see the video option, the button?
I see start video, but it got a red box over it.
Yep. If it's got the red box over it, then click it. And then hopefully it should work.
It say, please allow Zoom workspace to access your camera from device setting. I click OK.
We will get some help here in a minute.
Not
Bear
coming
with
up.
us.
Then I'm not sure how to change that. Maybe it's something when you first come on to Zoom, it might be an option.
I'm not sure, but it's weird because I've used Zoom before, so I'm just not sure why it's not allowing. And of course, I didn't start it because you told me to stay on mute. Don't start the video until it's my turn. So I just tried it actually, and it's not working.
Are we ready on Calvary SPV versus McAfee?
Yes. Good morning, Judge. This is Cassandra McAfee. Unfortunately, I'm trying to start by video, but it's not allowing me to.
Okay.
But I am definitely here.
We can probably struggle through without it. Who's representing Calvary today?
Mr. Royce, who must be in another Zoom.
Sorry?
Are you on
yeah, I can.
Calvary
I can
versus
speak.
McAfee? All right. Are you ready?
Hello?
Yeah. Are you ready on that? Calvary
Yes,
versus
yes, I
McAfee?
am, Your Honor.
Your appearance.
Yes, Christopher Royce on behalf of the plaintiffs.
Thank you. Ms. McAfee, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. That is an opportunity for me to get some information about this particular file and hopefully move it towards a resolution and get it on the calendar. Counsel, have you had a chance to speak to Ms. McAfee?
Yes, I have, Your Honor.
Where are we at?
Well, I think that she's going to submit an offer, and then, which of course, on a Calvary case, I have to submit it to the client. But I think we spoke, and I think she's agreeable to a 60-day period of discovery.
All right. How about November 12th?
That sounds good.
Heather, what time?
8:30 is good.
Ms. McAfee, that work for you? November 12th, 8:30 in the morning?
Yes, it does, Judge. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Discovery is an exchange of information, and it is meant to be a two-way street. So I'm assuming Mr. Royce is probably going to send you a list of questions that he wants answered. He might send you a list of documents that he might think you have in your possession that he wants to look at. You can do the same thing. If there's anything from Calvary that you think you need to put together your defense, you can ask Mr. Royce for those documents or that information. Understood?
Yes, I do.
All right. Any questions, ma'am?
No, I'm all set, Judge. I really appreciate the time this morning.
You're welcome. Counsel, anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Have a good day.
Thank you. Thank you, Heather, for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Next judge is LVNV versus Jones.
I've got that one. Counsel for Jones or counsel for LVNV.
Good morning, Your Honor. Lynn Olivier, appearing on behalf of plaintiff.
Good morning. Ms. Jones, can you hear us okay?
Yes, I can.
Thank you. Good morning. This
Good
is the date
morning.
and time set for a pretrial. That's an opportunity for me to get some information about the file and hopefully move it towards a resolution. Counsel, you ladies have talked?
Yes, we have, and Ms. Jones does not recall this debt, so plaintiff requests 90 days for discovery so that we can have an opportunity to send her documentation to hopefully refresh her memory.
All right, so we'll just adjourn the pretrial then, discovery until then?
Yes, please.
All right, so that date is December 17th.
Okay.
What time, Heather?
8:30 is good.
All right. And Ms. Jones, did you just hear my explanation about what discovery is, the exchange of information?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about that?
Yes, I need to know what type of information you're referring to, as far as this case is concerned.
Well, it could be any information you think that LVNV has in their possession that would help you prepare your defense.
Okay. All right.
All right.
Like I said, I don't even know who LVNV is, though.
Okay.
All right.
Well, that will probably be part of what council says she's gonna send you.
Okay. All right.
She probably has some old account statements or something like that.
Okay.
All
All
right.
right.
Any other questions, ma'am?
Nope. That's it. Thank you, sir.
Council, anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Have a good day, ladies.
Thank you. You as well.
Thank you.
And that's it for right now, Judge. We're waiting for the other parties of the other two cases that are on.
Thank you.
Lynn, that was your last case, correct?
Yes, I'm trying to figure out how to get out.
Oh, okay. I wasn't for sure if you were going to say, hey, I'm on one of them. I'll remove you.
Got her.
Thanks.
Counsel for Serval underlying.
Well, this is Kim Corbin. I'm here for the plaintiff, Macomb Funding SS.
Okay, you're confusing me with Macomb Funding.
Judge, that doesn't appear because the way that they scheduled this, Macomb Funding is the plaintiff.
Oh, I got you. I got you. All right. All right. So according to my paperwork, we've got a defendant 3 is Serval. What about defendants 1 and 2, counsel?
Yes, Judge Kim Corbin on behalf of the plaintiff. You have entered a default judgment and actually an order of eviction was entered on August 9th. This case is a post-foreclosure case to get into the property and to terminate redemption rights. You entered that judgment. We haven't received any response from anybody. And the problem is there were a bunch of lien holders. So one of those lien holders is up for hearing today because we finally got service on them in Delaware on August 28th. So we're looking for a default judgment as to Serval underlying trust. That's SERV. So what I'd like to do is submit a default judgment, giving them 10 days, and it terminates their redemption rights. In addition to that, though, Judge, I need to bring to your attention the fact that I filed a motion to add as a defendant Deutsche Bank trustee for Novastar, and you entered an order on September 4th to add them, but I need a summons, and then I guess the next thing is to schedule a court date for that, and I'll get them served with the new summons, and and then we can hopefully wrap this case up.
Okay, so that would be defendant 4.
Correct.
Deutsche Bank. Okay, all right. Okay, so I'll submit your default judgment on Serval.
Yeah, who should I contact about getting the summons issued, Judge? Because I submitted it with my motion. I guess I'll just call the civil clerk and ask her about getting that done.
Yeah, in the meantime, Malachi, can you check for that and see if it's in on-base somewhere?
Yeah, I can check for that. I seen that it was issued, but I'll check to make sure.
All right, so we're looking for a summons so we can get Deutsche Bank added.
And a court date. Wonderful, Judge. Thank you. This case has been like a bar exam final. So I'm happy that you're right on board. So I'll get that judgment into you today.
It's a master class on property law, right?
Thanks, Judge.
Yeah. All right, have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Mr. Evans and Mr. Helmanack, we're just waiting till 10:30 to call the defaults.
Okay.
If the other parties don't appear.
Yeah.
Understood. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Evans, what type of hearing do we have scheduled? You're muted.
Unmute yourself, Mr. Evans. Unmute. Hit the audio button. It has a red line through it. Down at the bottom. Yep. Are you looking at your screen?
Yeah.
There you go.
There you go. What type of hearing is scheduled for today, sir?
Judge, Miss Poirier was hopefully going to show up today and show me how she's going to pay me.
Okay, discovery hearing? Okay.
Yeah, I was supposed to get her social security number and figure out how she's going to pay me back.
All right. We'll give her a few more minutes, see if she shows up. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, sir.
All right, Mr. Evans, we still have not seen Miss Poirier. Looks like it's been 30 minutes. So what is your judgment amount? You're
Unmute
muted.
yourself.
There you go. $4,500, Your Honor.
All right. All right, if you submit a bench warrant in the amount of $1,000, I'll sign it. We'll see if that gets your attention.
Okay, sir. How do I do that now?
It's forms that have to be filed with the court.
Okay, I'll come up to the court, to the clerk office and fill out the forms. And I'm asking for what, sir?
I would bet they have the form available, a bench warrant.
Bench warrant. Okay, sir.
Good luck.
Thank you. Bench warrant.
All right, Mr. Is it Helminack? How do you say it? You're muted.
My dad said if anyone asks, it's Smith. No, it's Halmaniac.
I like that. Say it again.
Halmaniac.
Halmaniac. Good morning, sir. So
Good morning.
this is pretty unusual when the attorney for the plaintiff doesn't show up. So I'm going to dismiss this action. I'm going to guess that they'll file a motion asking me to reinstate it. If they do, you'll get a notice and we'll have that discussion at another time. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
Not at this time, no, sir.
All right. Enjoy your day.
I will. You as well, too. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Smith.